It's me again. I am just posting a super quick tutorial on how to do that video introduction that I wasn't sure you were able to do in D2L. Turns out you can. So if you go into First Week Tasks and click on the Class Introductions discussion topic, it will take you to the page where you can post your video. Go to Start a New Thread, and then normally you would just type right here. But what I'm going to ask you to do instead is to click this icon that says Insert Stuff, and then choose Video Note, and then it will, if you click New Recording, it might ask you to allow access to your webcam or your microphone. So I've already done that part, so it didn't ask me that. And it's not actually recording anything here because my webcam is already recording me down here. So it might ask you. So I guess it kind of at least recorded the audio. But anyway, once you've done that, then click Next, put in a title and a description, click Next, and put Insert, and then it will actually insert the video into your text box. It takes a few minutes before it actually shows up, but once you make sure it's here, then you can just hit Post. Just make sure that your name here is under the subject line so that the rest of us can see that. Let me back out a second because I don't want to record that. And okay, class introductions. And then there you go. You'll see this was my subject line right here. And then you should be able to, if you click on it, there you go. You can see my instructions and the video that I posted. So there you go. It should be fairly simple. Let me know if you have trouble. Thanks.